everybody, it's Maddie from Maddie Green Designs, and today is another video in my Small Business Owner Christmas series. Today I'll be opening more packages that these lovely small businesses sent me. Seriously, thank you so much if you sent me a gift. The packaging was amazing, all of the handwritten notes were so thoughtful, and your gifts are so sweet. As a reminder, I got so many packages and I'll be splitting the videos up so they're not extremely long. So this is video number 2. Let's get to it. Okay guys, the first box I'm opening, I just picked it out of this bin and we're gonna start there. It's from C's Stickers. Her thank you card's awesome. It says, "Thank you so much for your purchase. You have just supported a small Black-owned, women-owned business." That's awesome. Love her colors too. Love Christmas tissue paper, how fun. It's one of those mugs, kind of like the ones I sell. It's clear and it says Bomb Ass Cocoa. So next up, I'm opening this from Finger Loops Couture. They've been messaging me on Instagram, so it's been nice to get to know them more. Oh my goodness. Oh, here's their card. It's a Christmas card. It says, "Happy Holidays from Finger Loops Couture." They're an awesome crafting business. Their names are Chelsea, Sienna, and Kiera. They sell all things handmade, like blankets, scarf, tassels, and it's really cool with their business. They're dancers and I'm a dancer too, and they told me that on competition days they would always be so cold. It inspired them to make all these handmade scarves and stuff like that. They sent me this super cute little scarf, so nice and warm. Opening up. It says thank you on it. I love this tissue paper. Okay, so this is from Woodsy. They've bought from me before and they actually said, "Hey, can you package this on TikTok?" So I remember their name. Here's their business card. Have a great Christmas for Maddie. Ho ho ho. These are so fun. Look, it's plant stickers. Ooh, I really like that one. And then a Cozy Bear sticker pack. That packaging is so fun. Woodsy Vibes sticker sheet. Woodsy is awesome. Okay, moving right along, I got another card. I love the little flowers. All right, this one is from Amanda. It doesn't have her business name on the card, so let's open these stickers up from her. I love this little bag. It has little polka dots. It reminds me of snow. Ooh, we got some flowers. We got a Christmas tree. More flowers. Okay, well, Amanda didn't put her business name anywhere in this package, but I did look her up and her business is Amanda E Designs Co. Okay, this next one is from the Daily Pup Co. I don't have a dog, but my best friend has a dog, so I'm probably going to gift this to her just by looking at the name, the Daily Pup Co. Says, "Thank you. We hope that you enjoy your item as much as we enjoyed making it." Adeline wrote me a really sweet note, and look, she is starting to offer regular vinyls of dog faces. That is such a cool feature. She also sent me this little dog bandana. Look how cute the colors are. You can see how well made it is. This next one is from Mantra and Tote. Look at this beautiful pink bag. I love that. It's a necklace. And then she also sent me a little stickers. Here is their card, and I lost my little highlighter to mark off who I've done. Ugh. Got it. Okay, next is from Cheerful Charms Design Co. Sweet little note. I am like obsessed with macrame right now. Look at this rainbow. I can't believe people make this. I feel like this would take me like 6 hours to do. She also sent me another keychain. I love the green, Maddie Green. Next is from Handmade Goods. I love how their thank you note is on this craft paper. They sent me some scrunchies, a little sticker too. I am obsessed with this flannel pattern right now in my scrunchies. Look at this little one with a bow on it and a little baby. Let's open another one, guys. Okay, forgive me if I pronounce this wrong, but this is from Saha Saraz Designs. And look how sweet their card is. They sent me some stickers. Let's open them up. We got a little baby leaf. We got a happy thought sticker, some flowers, a pumpkin, and living the retro life. Well, I just filmed 20 minutes of opening gifts and I didn't hit record, so restarting again. But I've checked it 3 times. I think it's recording now. So I'm opening this one. It is the most beautiful plant calendar from PB Corner. I checked out their whole site, and they also sell national park calendars, and I love calendars. I love national parks. Comes with 12 months and 12 tear off postcards, which is so awesome. How fun. Okay, I had this all wrapped up in their packaging, but like I just said, I recorded 20 minutes and didn't hit record. So no packaging here, but it's from Joanna Jokesbed's boutique. It says, "Hey beautiful, hope you're having an amazing day. I send you this with lots of love and appreciation." They sent me the scrunchie with a little bow on it. So nice of them. Also a little keychain that says she believed she could, so she did. Heck yeah. They sent me a t-shirt, comfort colors. Love the phrase on. This one is from Dear Clementine Designs. They sent me a cute little box. They make handmade polymer clay earrings. I love that design. They also sent me some studs. They sent me a pair like this as well. Look how cute their tissue paper is. I already opened this one earlier too, but look how fun. I wish I could have something like that. Okay, this next one is from a really good friend of mine on Instagram. It's Cameron Canvas. She actually sent me a card in the mail the other day with a little watercolor painting of my logo, which I thought was so sweet. She sent me a Maddie Green Christmas. It has the little pine tree sun sweatshirt on there. So thankful for this one. Thank you so much, Cameron. I really appreciate it. Okay, this next one is from Designs by Gabrielle. They sent me some Christmas stickers. We also got a little Christmas card. We got a to-do list. I absolutely love to-do lists. They make me feel so productive. From Nat's Nursery. She sent me the sweetest card. I put it up on my bulletin board. She makes designs with nurseries and plants on them. I absolutely love this postcard. Next one, Doubly Quaint, Doodly Quaint, sorry if that is the wrong pronunciation. They sent me these beautiful sticker sheets. I love a good sticker sheet. They also sent me some more stickers. There's like a hot sauce one. So fun. Thank you so much. It says, "Hello, I'm not sure what to say except I hope you know what an inspiration you are to some or all of us." And sent me a sticker for my mom that says Colorado Mom. I don't have any of the packaging since I lost my filming from earlier, but this is from a really good friend of mine, Paige Sews Stuff. She is so kind, and I'm actually wearing one of her scrunchies right now that I purchased from her. She sent me the cutest scrunchies. There's this little pink gingham, I think is what you call it. You know what I'm talking about, the thing on the picnic table, the scrunchie, nice and stretchy for thick hair. We also got one with lemons and a little Christmas design too. This one is, I think, for your masks. You put little beads on it and it makes it really comfy. Or this is a hair thing. I think this might be a hair thing. Do I look cute? And then I also got this lovely mask from her. I'm so into polka dots, black and white right now. I can't wait to wash this up and wear it. Okay guys, this next one is from 815 Co. They sent me the Know Your Worth, Then Add Tax t-shirt. It's in the comfort color shade watermelon. It's so sweet. I keep seeing all of their posts on Instagram ever since I started following them, so I'm so excited to rock them. Okay, this next one is from Simply Grace Co. I've bought from her multiple times. I love her stickers. Look how professional her thank you card is and how pretty it is. Thank you so much, Emily. I had all of her packaging, but it got in this big pile when I lost the filming, so here's the little bag it comes in from Simply Grace. Her stickers are so thick, high quality. We got some flowers. We got some little Christmas ones. And her beautiful business card. Okay, this next one I opened is from Mabel and Dottie's shop. I love their packaging there. They sent me some Christmas stickers. It's from Madeline and Ivy Co. They actually reached out to me a few days ago to make custom mugs for my shop. So stay tuned. I think it'll be my rainbow logo on the mug. It'll be so cute. But they sent me a mug for this video. And it says, "Go the extra mile. It's never crowded." Love how high quality these are. I'm definitely gonna put some hot chocolate in this right after this video. They also sent me a little Christmas card. She makes these, by the way, and her name's Tiffany. So nice of her. It is from Tote Designs Co. It says, "Thank you so much for being an inspiration for all small business owners. Love your work so much, and I hope you love these earrings I handmade from Tucson, Arizona. Love, Floor." Positive vibes. That's such a cute little card to include. So excited about these earrings. She handmade them. They're high quality. They'll look so cute with the sweatshirt I'm wearing right now. By the way, this will launch December 26th, 10 a.m. Mountain Time. I think I'm gonna wear these earrings like every day though. This next one I opened is from So and Merlot. They sent me 2 masks. One's a small and one's a medium. She hopes one of them will fit me. I think they'll both work great. This first one's this pink one. It's nicely sewed. Like, there's also 2 fabric, which is perfect. I like this green one too. It has the nice stretchy bands. Definitely can't wait to wash these up and wear these. Thank you so much. I see an end in sight in the first bin. Alrighty, this is from the Janky Doodles. They sent me some stickers. It says small business owner. That's elegant. I like that. Merry and bright and shop small. They also sent me a little pineapple keychain. So sweet. Okay, this is a special gift to me. This is from Susan. She is an author, Susan Aubin. She wrote this other book, something about coffee, and I love it. And this one is called Between Us. It's a love story told through poetry. She signed it for me. It was so sweet of her. A little card. It says, "Thank you so much for making my dream a reality. Your support means the world to me. Writing Between Us was so fun. I hope you enjoy it all. Warm wishes." So check it out. She's an awesome author. Okay, this is from the Enneagram 6. It says, "Happy mail for Maddie." It says she's been following along and she loves all of my designs and she's so excited for this video. Well, I'm so excited to open this. It says, "Where flowers bloom, so does hope." This one says, "There's a lot of beauty in ordinary things. Isn't that kind of the point?" This one says, "Failure shouldn't be feared and trust your instincts." Okay, this is one of my favorites. So excited to open it. From Oida Studios. Here is their beautiful thank you card. I love their business card too. It's so simple and elegant. Definitely will be purchasing from them. They sent me this tote bag that says "Love Yourself." Like, guys, how cute is this? Like, I want to carry all my packages in this to the post office as an overnight bag. So lovely, high quality. Okay, this is from a sweet friend of mine, Andrea Designs. Andrea Pearson, business owner. Love that little business card. She sent me some keychains. Oh my gosh, it's a friend's keychain on it. Can you see that? She also sent me some stickers. There's some butterflies and some Christmas ones in there. This is from Oily The Essentials. Ooh, I can smell it from here. I actually got this one in the mail and it was leaking a little bit, so I put it in a bag. Okay. It says, "Maddie, I hope you enjoy this essential oil blend. It's lavender, peace, and calming. Both are from Young Living." Love with Young Living. I just bought from them too, a little starter pack, and I love it. So she sent me this one. It's lavender and calming. Serene. Next is from K-Pup Accessories. I like their little card. Says she hopes I enjoy what she included. This is from Kaylee. Little star mint scrunchie. Nice for thick hair. Love that one. Ooh. This might be a new favorite. It's white and it has some little trees on it. She also sent me a little sunflower pot sticker. And a butterfly. Okay, next, this from Ashlyn Elizabeth Creations. We got some stickers. Okay, it's a little card with a Christmas tree. That is so fun. Guys, this is from Crafted by TC. She sent me some stickers. How cute is her little packaging? It says, a little reminder that you're the best. Thank you for shopping small. Let's open this up. Alrighty, it says, just roll with it. A little roller skater. We got one that says, you're so golden. Love that for me. A little butterfly and some coffee. How is pronounced? Shaw D'End. Shaw D'End. So beautiful. She sent me some stickers. It says, never quit. And a little notebook that says never quit too. It has a few pages in here. They're blank. I love a good notebook. Okay, this is from Celine Prince. It says, Merry Christmas, Maddie. I love your shop. Ooh, and some tissue. This one says Maddie on it. I love that. Celine Prince, her little circle sticker. Got some more in there too. So Far So Good by Emma. Love that name. She sent us some stickers. This one says, God loves to get knee mail. This one says, God loves to get knee mail. This one too. Here is her business card. Okay, yeah, look at this. Look at that fabric. She told me that these you can fit your headphones in. Look at that zipper. Love it. Guys, we did it. We went through one bin. So excited. I have 2 more bins upstairs, so there will be more videos to come. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video. Hope you have a good day. Bye.